A to Z Phonics Sounds for beginners with examples.
A says a, a, as in ant, apple. B says b, b, as in ball, balloon. C says k, k, as in cat, cup. D says d, d, as in dog, duck. E says e, e, as in egg, elephant. F says as in fish, fan. G says g, g, as in gun, gold. H says as in hat, hut. I says e, as in igloo, Indian. J says j, as in jelly, jam. K says k, as in kite, king. L says l, as in lion, lollipop. M says m, as in mouse, meals. N says n, as in nest, nut. O says o, as in orange, olive. P says p, as in parrot, pink. Q says qu, as in queen, quill. R says r, as in rose, red. S says as in snake, sun. T says t, as in tennis, toy. U says as in umbrella, uncle. V says v, as in van, vest. W says w, as in watch, wheel. X says x, as in X-ray, Xmas. Y says y, as in yak, yellow. Z says z, as in
Zebra.
zoo. Subscribe for more.